So windy. Why? We can do it, I believe. I can't. Wake up. No, you can't die on me. Where are you going? I don't know anymore. Which way is the wind? I can't lift my hoof.
I can't. It's raining. No, for real, it's raining.
It is.
Yeah.
That is the sound of rain.
Driving the road.
Ow. My face.
I can't run.
I believe. Hey, this leaf is as big as me. What is that?
Great. I'm fine now. Nothing can hold me. Ow.
It's a sad day today.
Alright, I'm going over this road.
How did you climb this so quickly? This is a good day today. Natural effect. Hey! These are tomatoes. I'm gonna smash this tomato in my face. Are you ready for it? Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun. That was tomatoes. This is what we do in our free time, everyone.
We kill the tomatoes with our ponies.
Woo! I have tomato seeds all over myself. This
I
works
have
well.
tomato guts on my paw.
I need to get another
hoof, not
on my
paw.
paw. The monkey's paw.
No. It's so scary.
Wow, these ones
And
betrayed me. They fell. They're green.
ew. 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 Ew.
The windstorm will come for us one day. We had to use customs because who cares about life?
Ew.
Yeah, totally, yeah. We're gonna ruin this file.
We're gonna ruin this video.
Yep, we already did. Aww. We should totally drink this one day.
Oh yeah.
It would ruin our complexion.
Oh well.
Birds pooped in